Ever noticed your phone, toaster, or favorite jeans have a self-destruct button that activates the day after the warranty expires? It's day 366. You go to make breakfast, and suddenly your toaster is just a chrome-plated paperweight. You're not crazy, and it's not bad luck. It's a calculated economic phenomenon quietly draining your bank account. There's a term for it: skimpflation. Data shows over 45% of us are feeling it firsthand right now. We're talking about a massive shift in manufacturing, creating what experts call a quality tax. For the average person, this adds up to over $5,000 over a lifetime just to replace things that should have lasted years longer. $5,000 for the crime of buying products engineered to fail. This isn't just about cheap stuff anymore. It's happening to the premium brands we used to trust. The goalposts for quality are constantly moving, and it's a calculated trap. What's actually happening inside your machines? It's all about the math. Manufacturers are caught in a squeeze. Logistics and materials are expensive, but they want to keep 20% profit margins without scaring you off with massive sticker price hikes. Their solution: material substitution. They're swapping out durable metal gears for plastic ones and using modular circuit boards that are impossible to fix. It's like a shell game played with your dishwasher. The average lifespan of major appliances has dropped to 10.6 years, a 15% increase in failure rates recently. These components are tested to survive exactly the length of the warranty, not a day more. Under heat and stress, plastic composites degrade 3 times faster than metal. If you buy 3 refrigerators in 25 years instead of 1, the manufacturer triples their revenue. To them, your frustration is just a recurring subscription model. It's a massive wealth transfer. The rabbit hole goes deeper. We've moved from an economy of ownership to an economy of protection. Cashiers now push protection plans for even the cheapest items. Retailers have pivoted. They aren't making real money on the product anymore, but on the warranty. It's become a $25 billion global market. They sell you a product they know is fragile, then sell you peace of mind to cover its inevitable death. It's a perfect loop. The math gets trickier when you try to fix things. The repair-to-replace price ratio has hit 68%. If a $500 machine breaks, fixing it will cost you $340. Most people just buy a new one. Manufacturers use parts pairing software to lock hardware, making independent repairs almost impossible. You're essentially renting your appliances until a software update or a tiny gear decides its time is up. We are losing the right to actually own what we pay for. Was it always like this? Not quite. We saw this during the malaise era of the 1970s, when manufacturing quality plummeted. Back then, it took a total disruption from durable foreign imports to force change. We're in a new version of that now, but there's no reliable geography left. Everything is global. However, there is a silver lining. People are fighting back. The right to repair movement is gaining serious steam. There's also a massive surge in Buy It for Life, or BAAL. Monthly searches for durable products have exploded by 85%. People are tired of the Day 366 trap. We're seeing a return to valuing things that can be disassembled, fixed, and handed down. We're moving away from sticker price obsession and looking at actual longevity. In an era of disposable everything, durability is the ultimate wealth hack. We are finally reclaiming the value of quality. How do you stop paying that $5,000 quality tax? It starts with changing your metric. Stop looking at the price tag and start looking at cost per use. If a $20 shirt lasts 5 washes, it effectively cost you $200. The most expensive thing you can buy is something cheap. We're generating over 7.8 kilograms of e-waste per person every year. That's a massive transfer of wealth from your pocket to a landfill. Before buying, check 3 things. Is it repairable? Does it use standard parts? And what do BAFL communities say? Reclaiming your quality tax isn't just about saving money. It's about taking back control of your home. So what would you do differently now that you know the math? Are you sticking with big brands or hunting for durable alternatives? Drop a comment and let me know. Your wallet deserves better than a product with a self-destruct button.